To inspect or replace the air filter on your Indian Chief, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat level surface and allow it to cool completely. Next, clean the area around the airbox using a clean and dry shop towel. Then, remove the 3 airbox cover fasteners. Pull the airbox cover out to remove from the bike, and inspect the cover seal. Replace if needed. Next, remove the air filter and inspect for any excessive debris or damage. If necessary, replace with an Indian Motorcycle approved air filter from your dealer. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Before continuing, clean the airbox thoroughly. Dirt or debris in the intake could result in severe engine damage. Install the air filter into the airbox and press in until fully seated. Next, reinstall the cover and torque the fasteners to specification. The seal should fit evenly over the airbox cover. Then, ensure the airbox is fully sealed and that the seal has not rolled over in any areas. Finally, start the bike to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.